Hey guys, Juan Ortiz here with WonderCheck Realty. I'm here with my partner in crime, Adrian Smith, the owner of Advantage Home Inspection. We're gonna do the drawing for the $50 Home Depot gift card that we're giving away for all the people that attended our open house yesterday at 401 Wedgewood Drive. But before we do, I wanted to introduce Adrian and have him say a little bit about what he can do for all our clients, whether they're buyers or sellers with Advantage Inspection. So Adrian, welcome to the drawing and thank you for sponsoring the gift card. Just let us know a little bit about what you can do for clients, whether they're buying or selling, that Advantage Inspection can do for them.
Well, sure. Juan, thanks a bunch for letting us be a part of your open house today. We're thrilled to be part of this. This is how we get our name out in front of the public, but we're Advantage Inspection. We've been in business since 1991, so 27 years serving the upstate of South Carolina. And what we do, our main goal is to provide buyers and sellers peace of mind by giving their homes a good, thorough evaluation so you can know the pros and cons, the good points and bad points of each home you're buying, so that when you move into your home and get the keys to that new house, you can be satisfied knowing that you have the right house for you and moving forward. And that's really our goal at Advantage Inspection.
You know, let me tell you guys, I mean, I've used Advantage Inspection. Actually, when I was a home inspector and I kept my license with them, one of the great advantages for Advantage Inspection is that they have multiple inspectors. You know, I think, what do you have now? What, 6 inspectors?
We have 6 inspectors, yes.
So the 6 inspectors, you know, when in this market where sometimes you have to find this house and get things done fast, you know, when you call a home inspection business that is maybe a one-man show, you know, it's sometimes kind of hard to get in the door with that inspector to go inspect the house. With them, they have 6 inspectors, you know, so they can actually jump in and fit you into the schedule to be able to get things done. So they're fast, reliable, and I would really recommend them. So let's go ahead for the drawing. So Adrian, would you grab the ball if you don't mind?
All right, sounds good.
So I'll hold it here, and Adrian, now reach in and let us know.
Very good. Let's see here if we can find a good one out of here. Somebody get the winner of this gift card today. So good luck, everybody. And here we go. You want me to read the name?
Yes, if you don't
mind.
mind.
All right, looks like we got Edna Powell. Edna Powell, you're the winner of the gift card. So congratulations, and thanks for coming out to the open house yesterday.
All right, Edna. So I have your email here. I'll be sending you an email so that I can get your address and be able to send you that 50 pesos gift card. So I'm just kidding. It's actually dollars. $50 gift card to the Home Depot. So guys, thank you so much. And remember, if you have any questions about real estate, not only about doing a transaction with WonderCheck, if you have any questions about anything real estate, give us a shout. That's what we're here for. And whether you're doing a transaction with us or not, give Adrian at Advantage Inspection a call. They'll be glad to help you out. Thank you guys. Take care.
Thank you.